Well, hello there, YouTube. Today is day 4 of my solo trip. I did, actually I rode way too far yesterday. I did 400 miles and I was exhausted. And my GPS, I guess I didn't have it set right, but I pulled over because it wasn't talking to me, so I pulled over and got it set, and I was right where I needed to be anyway to go up Mount Evans, but I didn't know it took me up there, and I really was exhausted from going through the desert of Colorado. And that long ride from Durango all the way over towards pretty close to Denver. So I didn't go all the way up. Probably won't do the video because I was just too tired. I was wondering about my gas, if I got way up there and have enough gas to get back, kind of thing. So anyway, I had to backtrack about 15 miles to find a hotel. I stayed in Georgetown, Colorado. And then now I'm heading up 40 to Granby. And then from Granby I'll jump on 34, which is Rocky Mountain National Park road, which is incredible. And I'll do that video too, because it's just so, you're up so high, there's no more vegetation. You're probably up, way up higher than that, just because there's, there'll be snow up there. But anyway, pretty epic. But I've been doing a little bit too many miles, so I'm kind of overdoing it and getting tired, and I haven't slept very well in the last 2 nights. But I'm rested today, so I'm better. So once I finish up Rocky Mountain National Park, I'm going to head home. So I did I redid my route. So once I jump out of there, I'm going to bypass Denver a little bit, and then take the interstate home through Pueblo and all that kind of stuff, and then head over to Amarillo, and then head back into the Austin area from there. But anyway, I'll turn it on when I get some more epic views. Bye. Well, hello there again, YouTube. I have never taken this route into Granby before. I always came in from the west. Now I'm coming in from 70 up north on 40, and it's kind of pretty. Look at all the snow. It's chilly. God, I started out today, it was 52 degrees. I got my mesh jacket on. I got the rain liner on again. My legs are okay, so I don't have anything on my legs but my pants, but I had to get my gloves, warmer gloves again, and they're fine for this kind of weather. But anyway, look how pretty this is. Never done. This is 40 from 70 up towards Granby. I think we go through Winter Park too. What a beautiful ride. I love those pine trees. I don't smell them this morning. I smelled them the other day. How pretty that is. Heading up the mountain. Into the sun. That's probably why I didn't have it on a whole lot. It's going the other direction, away from the sun. Anyway, bye. Okay, one thing I don't get, you're driving through this beautiful country, and I'm having to pull over like a ton of times, let all these cars go by. I mean, like, I guess if you're in a car, you're just getting from point A to point B. But when you're on a bike, oh my God, I'm just constantly looking at all this beautiful, beautiful countryside. And I think, because I drive a car too, and my wife and I will go places together, but we don't take vacations in them since we got the bike. But it's the same way. You got your windows up, and you're just driving, and you're getting from point A to point B. You're not even looking around at all the beautiful countryside. So oh wow, that was gorgeous. Did you see that quick waterfall? The snow melts, makes waterfalls everywhere, which is really cool. I missed it. I should have stopped, but there's no place to pull over. But anyway, I don't get that. This is so beautiful, and people just flying through it. There's that waterfall over there. They just fly through. I don't get that, man. I want to smell the trees. I want to look at the road. I want to kind of commit all this beautiful scenery to memory and on GoPro too. But I just don't get it how these people. I know they're not locals, because they're probably all on vacation, but they just fly through the most beautiful parts of the country, and I just don't get it. Anyway, bye. Well, here's Winter Park, Colorado. There's some ski lifts. Ah, there's some ski areas right there at clearings. Pretty area too. Anyway, bye. Well, YouTube, this is pretty going up through the mountains. I'm heading to Rocky Mountain National Park, and it's only like 15 miles. Wow, this is really beautiful. Wow, there's boats out there. So I guess it's a pretty good sized lake. I don't think there's too many water skiers out there. If that's snow water, that's still ice cold. Anyway, gonna be really pretty. I absolutely love Rocky Mountain National Park. That's one of my favorite rides besides 550 $1 Million Highway. This is a must-do too if you're coming up. I think it costs a few bucks to drive through. I think it's like 20 for a car, but I don't know what it is for a motorcycle. I only got $10 cash, so hopefully they'll take a credit card if it's more. Anyway, bye.